Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Avalon maintenance light. This simple process can be done right at home after your oil change. First, make sure your vehicle is completely off. Then, find the trip odometer reset button, usually near your instrument cluster. This button is key for the next steps. Next, insert your key and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, press the trip odometer button repeatedly until your display shows Trip A. This is a crucial step for the reset procedure. Once Trip A is visible, turn your ignition completely off once more, preparing for the final sequence. Now, with the ignition off, press and hold the trip odometer reset button firmly. While still holding it down, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not release the button. You will see a series of dashes or zeros appear on the display. Continue holding the button until the maintenance light goes out completely. Once the maintenance light disappears and the display clears, you can release the trip odometer button. Now, start your engine to confirm that the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated. If it's off, you've successfully reset it. For more helpful tips and great deals, check the description below. Also, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. You'll find a link to the Owala water bottle there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.